old man, old codger on the motorbike, and I've done the change. I'm not going to do like everybody else does. Everybody does a video where new bike surprise, all that kind of stuff, where they'll show you the bike. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to stay on the bike and just let you figure it out in that respect. I got the bike this afternoon, well, about 12 o'clock, and I'm just figuring it out because I've been at work all the time. It's a dark video, this one. I have been at work and just finished. It's 9:30. I'm in eco mode. What the hell does that mean? And I'm just going to figure the bike out because I haven't had a play on it yet, so this is going to stand me in good stead in going up to see my dad in Yorkshire a few times. Daddy, I'm coming to see you soon. I can't come and see you yet because obviously Dad's 86 and it's coronavirus and stuff. There's been loads of reviews about this bike on the internet, etc., on YouTube and stuff, so I'm not going to do anything like that. All I'm going to do is go out and play on the bike, get to learn her, get to know what she does, etc. Best time to change gear and what have you. It's a 2016 model, this one, and I've got some ZX1 extra lube at home, 100 millilitres that I'll put in. It's just had a service, so I'm going to put that into the engine oil. So the engine's protected from friction. A lot of people use it, I know. I've always used it in all my bikes. Just stops any friction whatsoever. Straight off piston walls, cam chains, the block. It just stops any type of friction. The clutch, it's got adjustable clutch levers, and although I've got my hand on the thingy, I just need to use two fingers to shift gear. It's very nice and tight at the end, so I don't have to put all my fingers on the actual lever. The bike's done 16,000 miles with full service history and just been serviced at 16,000 miles, so, and 12 months MOT before I bought it. It's also got heated grips, Oxford heated grips, which will stand me in stead in winter, which is brilliant. No vibes on the handlebars, lovely vision at the back. Just torque. I can't believe how much torque there is in the engine. Obviously coming from a 250. But I thought about getting a CV650 R or F. But then you have to rev them to, I love the inline 4, but you have to rev them quite high to get the, the torque. But the torque on these bikes is the cross-plane crank 689cc engine. It just delivers it very low down in the I'm in 5th gear. I haven't got to 6th. I'm going too slow, I think. I'm at 3,000 revs. Beautiful display. Didn't want an MT09, don't like the electronic throttle, and I don't like the dash being right up there. I prefer the dash centralised like this is. It's absolutely lovely. Viewing screen on the front, which is deflecting wind from me a bit. I can't feel too much wind, which is good. And adjustable levers for brake and clutch, Yamaha ones. Got a Yamaha tail tidy on the back. I'm just going to go into the beefeater quickly, not to get any food. Just to show you the bike quickly. clutch is lovely, and the gearbox is absolutely excellent. Right, I'm going to put the side stand down just to show you the bike quickly. You won't be able to see it very well, it's obviously dark. The tail tidy with the LED light at the back, looks really nice. It's the ABS model, which is better than not having ABS. I always think having ABS is good for a bike, and a beautiful large seat for me, my big bum. Excellent. Chain and sprockets are all good, all excellently lubed, etc. So everything's cool and dandy, except I'm blinking hot. I don't know how to use these. Oh, plus and minus on the heater grips. Turn them off. Nice to have. Just going to go quickly down the bypass and call this one a day. I've got to get used to the bike. Oh dear. So much power and torque. Very hard touching the throttle. Really stable. I'm surprised everybody, it's one of Yamaha's best sellers in Europe and everywhere. It's so nimble and so good. So light. And you don't get much. Vibration as well. Wind resistance is good, we're 65 miles an hour at the moment. Power on, just a bit of throttle there just to bring her over. She comes straight over. Behind me that I'm turning in. Right. Just effortless. Just over 4,000 revs at 60 miles an hour. And just so smooth. Beautiful, beautiful. Get used to these indicators. I have to cancel them. Right next to the indicator, so it's just, I'm not used to having such big fatty tyres, a massive tyre on the back. Engine braking is good when you're changing down, it's not too abrupt. Obviously in lower gears, like now second gear, the engine braking is going to do it for you. You've got to get used to that going down corners and stuff. Revving the throttle, but the throttle's very light and it's very responsive. And, you know, little twitchy movements will just do a more degree of throttle. Whereas on some bikes, the throttle can be very twitchy. Well, this one isn't. It's very precise and tells you exactly what it's going to do. So you can throttle it harder into the corner, then take the throttle off, and in second gear and use the engine braking on the part of the bend. Cool. I really love doing that. So God, I'm done it. I just put a bit of throttle on them. A little tiny bit of throttle. I'm gonna have to get my arm. I'm gonna have to get some weights and do my arms. Get them all strong. Because I can't see me. Wow. Yeah, you have to be careful. Don't give it too much throttle, Mark, you'll fall off the back of the bike. You use the brakes a lot and just downshift into second, etc. and get used to turning in. Well, I'm going to have to be so careful. Yeah, you have to calm down, Michael, on this bike, I think. You don't want to be getting yourself in trouble. The ride is lovely and compliant over the bumps, etc. It's not too bad because it's quite a bumpy road. So, might as well ride out. The engine though, it's beautiful. Right, I'm going to stop it here and love and leave you. Thank you very much for watching. Like I say, I'm not into that. I'm going to do a bike, you know what I mean, new bike reveal, all that stuff. Don't do it. Please subscribe, like and comment. Love to have you on my journey. This is only the start. Lots and lots of nice trips coming. Now I've got a bigger engine bike. It's going to be loads of trips everywhere when I've got my days off. So it's going to be like 2 or 3 videos a week because I don't finish till late, so it's dark and I can't do videos at dark. I spend the morning with my missus, etc. and kids, so I'm going to be doing them on my days off, so it'll be 2 or 3 videos a week. But thank you for watching. Like I said, please subscribe. Love you all. Stay safe. Thank you.